Well, we're going to have to open a new DB file. We're going to save it in a folder that you're going to choose with the name of favoring. We're going to set the tolerance to default and make sure that the analysis code and analysis type are set to MSC Nastran and structural respectively. And then click OK. After that, we're going to go to geometry and then create a point in method XYZ. We're going to turn out execute off and enter the vector coordinate list of 0, 120, 0 and vector origin coordinates list of 50, 40 and 0 and click apply. Well, as you can see, that's where the vector coordinate list is located. You just click and change it. The space functions like a comma. You just click apply and there is the curve. Then we're going to create a curve method point. We're going to select the point 1 on the starting point, and in the ending point list the point 2, which is below, and then click apply. Well, after that we're going to create a surface and a method revolve. We're going to make it in the chord 0.2. The total angle will be 360. We turn the auto to execute, and with shift select both lines and click apply. We just rotate it a bit so we can see that it's revolve in 360 degrees. Then we to viewing and angles and enter 300 and then apply it. We'll go to display in geometry, going to the number of display lines 3 and a chordal tolerance of 0.001 and then apply it. Then we'll go to create mesh set, type uniform, the number 36. With in the curve list, we select the surface 1.3, which is the one at the top, and then apply it. After that, we are going to go for create mesh set and one-way bias. We select the L1 and L2. L1 of number 7 and L2 equals to 10. In the curve list, we're going to select the curve 1. And then apply it. And repeat the process with different L numbers. L1 equals 4 and L2 to 7. And select the curve list, the curve 2. And then apply it. After that, we go to create mesh surface, quad, isomesh, quad 4, and select the surface 1 and the surface 2. We're going to leave the automatic calculation and then apply it. After that, we're going to change the point size so we can see better. going to hide the labels. We hide the labels and then reduce the point size. After that, we're going to click notes. We're going to verify element boundaries and then free edges and apply it. Well, now we go to equivalence, all, tolerance cube, and we click apply. And then we go to erase and erase the fem. Then we go to meshing. Go to create mesh curve. And then just apply to the three surfaces. Now we click on point size. Now we go to verify element boundaries, free edges, and then apply it. Well, now we go to cube elements. Oh, tolerance cube. And then apply it. Now I go to plot erase, then plot, then go to verify, to create a new group name. We're going to put fem. We put at all fem and apply. Now go to properties. We click isotropic in the manual input. Enter our material name of alum underline 1. We select the input properties. The elastic modulus of 1.05 E7. Diffusion ratio of 0.33. And a density of 2.6 E-4. And click OK. And then just apply it. Now we're going to create a second material. We just put material name alum 2 and change the elastic modulus to 1.18 A7 and the density of 2.4 E minus 4, and then apply it. Now we have two existing materials. After that, we're going to go to fields, spatial, which will be in the properties area. We click the spatial option with PCL function in field name. In a scalar function, we're going to put a 1.5 minus y dividing 160. And then create the variable. Sorry, just click apply. And in the field name, we're going to put temperature, thickness, and then apply. Then we want to make the temperature just with a different scalar function. I'm going to put a coordinate system of coord 0. Then the scalar function of 200 by 150 dividing 160 by x. After that, we're going to create a 2D shell with the name of prop underline 1. In the input properties, we're going to select the material name, which is 1. After that, in thickness, we're going to select the thickness option that we created. And then click OK. Going to go to select the publication region, select members, and we're gonna try to select the upper part. We're gonna have to put this on front view. We'll put it on the front view so we can have selected easier. Then we click OK, and now we can apply it. Now we have the prop underline 1. Now we're going to create the prop underline 2. Which the input properties, we're going to select the alum underline 2 and also thickness. And when selecting the application region, we're also going to have to put in the front view and try to select the down part of the surface. Then add it and click OK and apply it. Now we'll go to loads. Now we're going to create temperature nodal. Then you set name on temp. Input data, we select the temperature, we select it. We select the application region, put FEM, and select all the nodes, and then apply it. We go to display, load elements, and check the temperature part. And just click apply. Now we cancel it. We're gonna go to tools, list, and create. To FEM, element, and attribute. We select material. We select alum underline 1 with the target list 8, and we select apply. You can see there's only 8 contents. Now we'll go to properties. Go to property actions and select show. We select thickness and FEM and apply it. I will go to list, create. We select the fringe value, the default fringe, put a F of 0.98, a tolerance of 0.005, in the target list B, and apply it. We have to select F higher than 0.98. I'm gonna go to tools, create, list boolean, and click on the intersect icon and click on replace A, and just cancel it. After that, we're going to go to loads. We select plot contours and temperature. We select the existing set of temp, data variable of temperature, and group of M, and then apply it. I'll go to Tools, List, Create. We select range value. We change to F higher than 230. And then click Apply to target list B. Click on Clear on the list B. Then click Apply to create the list. Then we cancel them. And go to Tools, List, and Boolean. We click on the intersect icon. Select Add to Group. We just select to Add to Group. Then select common underline quotes. Apply it. Then go to Group and Post. Select the common quotes. And apply it. And put it in the ISO 1 view. For that, go to Group, Create. To Property Set, select the group name of prop_1. And in Property Sets, just select prop1. And just click on Apply. We're going to repeat the steps for a prop2 group. Just select prop_2 and click on Apply. We're going to go to Display, Entity Color, Label, and Render. And select the prop1 with the orange color and apply it. And the prop2 with a dark blue and apply it too. Then go to Create and Post. And we're going to select Groups to Post, the prop_1 group. And apply it. And repeat these steps with the prop2 group. Go to Group, Post, prop2 group, and then apply. After that, we're going to select both groups and apply them so we can see how the temperature goes in the fan. And that's it.